Hi team! In this video, let's look at how we can change the file ownership in Linux. In Linux, a file is owned by exactly one user and one group. I created a test file called file test text, and we see that it's owned by Ubuntu user and by one Ubuntu group. The command that we can use to change the ownership of the file is chown. Like this. To set the user owner, we just use one name. For instance, chown space user1 space file.txt, which would change the user owner to user1. In order to change the ownership of a file, we just need to be a root user or has elevated privileges with the sudo. To set the group owner, the syntax would be chown space colon group space file.txt. To set both user and the group owners of the file, separate with them with the colon. For example, to set the username and the group name for the file.txt, we would use this command chown space user1 colon group1 file.txt. Let's try to use this command and change the username and the group of this file. Let's go on our terminal, and I already created the text file, so before we change the ownership, let's create a new user with the user add. We'll need to elevate privileges using sudo to create a user. Let's type in sudo user add test user and hit enter. We can verify this by using the etc password file. Let's type in cat.etc.password. We see that the test user is created, and this is the last line. Now let's create a group using group add. Let's type in sudo group add test group. And let's also verify this by looking at the etc group file. So let's type in cat group and hit enter. And we also see that test group is the last line. Now let's assign ownership to our file. Let's use sudo chown command test user colon test group file.txt and hit enter. And we can verify that the changes took place by using the ls-l command. And we can see that the file txt is now owned by test user and the test group. Thank you very much. This is all for this video. Bye.